Okay, and then we need to remove this oil filter, and here is before of that oil filter cover, 4 12mm bolts, and here is oil filter in that area. Then we are in this oil filter area, and there is first bolt in this area, in this one, and second is in that line. Okay, this is a little bit difficult. Maybe I have to remove this oil filter before. Okay, and now I use smaller socket. And now this bolt opens easily. And then second is in here. In that area, and then next one, it is in here. Okay, good. And then I have to remove this oil filter, and I need pliers or oil filter socket. Now I use these big pliers. Little bit adjustment here. This opens very easily. Okay, good. And there is oil filter. It is there.